we just found this really big pillager outpost. So we will be making it have some fireworks
to greet the lovely pillagers that pillaged all the villages.
Yeah,
We couldn't have pillaged any villages without the pillagers. That's a poem.
The fireworks are really nice. Look what the story down here, just a ton of words. Let's just get rid of their words because they probably don't need it.
No,
And they probably don't need their house.
they don't.
Remember kids, always light your house on fire.
It will smoke the oven
And
and help
guys,
the oven
look,
cook its food,
It's a, I know.
including
We'll make
cooking
him
your
watch
family.
his family die. Goodbye. Oh no, he survived. Let's just stop that from happening.
Like and subscribe or this will happen to your home.
Yeah, look what's happening to your home. It's getting destroyed. And look, your whole family's here. Look, your whole family's here to watch the fireworks with you. So nice. Let's have nice fireworks for them. Let's start it. Start the fireworks. Kaboom! And remember kids, if any of your family that survives, you need to push them off a ledge.
Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on your funeral.